Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mickayla, and I am here with another video. So today I will be doing a wash and go. Check out my video that I will upload before this one, which is my wash day routine. So my hair is freshly washed, and I also trimmed my hair in that video, so go check it out before even watching this video. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button and join my little family over here on this side. You know, like the video if you like it so far, or when you finish watching it, like the video. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. Yeah, so as I said earlier, yeah, my hair is freshly washed. By the way, congrats to me for getting to 1 year natural post my big chop, post everything. So I am 1 year fully natural, guys, and this is basically the length that I have right now. Still quite short. I would say I'm at like the awkward length, but it's not that bad. But I still want to go on my journey and grow my hair and everything. So yeah, so today I'll just be doing a wash and go with these new products that I saw my mom got, and it's the Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed recipes. I have the curl maintenance defining curl whip, and the don't shrink flaxseed elongating curling gel. So I'm gonna be using these two and see how well they clump my curls together, if I will get a bomb ass wash and go with these products. So yeah, we're gonna see what these can do. And this is my hair right now. So I have my spray bottle here, so I'm just gonna spray my hair somewhere with some water and get the moisturizing process cracking, because I haven't moisturized it. I was only like using water to trim my hair because I wanted to show you guys me moisturizing my hair. So for my leave-in, well, the water was my liquid, but for my leave-in, so guys, I will be doing the LCO method, not the LOC method, because I have low porosity hair, so it is recommended for me to do the LCO method, which is liquid / leave-in, cream, then my oil, and then I will be putting the gel on top. So I recently saw that, you know, it could be said to be the LCOG method, so that's basically the method that I'll be using. For my leave-in today, I will be using the As I Am leave-in conditioner with extracts of coconut, amia, sugar beetroot, green tea, lemon, apple, sugarcane, and yeah, this is, I know this is a holy grail, so everyone should know about this leave-in. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this much I'm gonna use for this whole section. Ooh. This much I'm gonna use for this whole section. Guys, I absolutely love this leave-in conditioner. Like, it just feels so smooth. Oh my god, it makes my hair feel amazing. And then I'm going to use the Aunt Jackie's Defining Curl Whip as my cream today. It doesn't have like a great smell, like it just smells like hair products, I guess. It doesn't have a great smell, guys. It doesn't smell like lavender or nothing. It just smells normal. And then I'm gonna add my oil, and I'm going to be using Jamaican black castor oil all over my hair. Man, it stink. Jesus, it stink, man. Guys, I definitely need to get a new gel, a new oil, because this, me and the smell ain't gonna work. So sorry about it. Okay, so now I'm going to section off my hair once more in a smaller section to apply the gel. Okay guys, so this is it so far. Not bad. It's not clumping my curls as how I would want it to, but I'm gonna do the shingling method and see what I get from that. So this is one small section done. So I'm just gonna move on to the rest of my hair, and you know, you guys just sit back, relax, enjoy some of the music, you know, all that good stuff. Shake. Just gonna shake, guys. This helps. So shaking my hair helps to clump all my curls together, you know, make them look juicy. Guys, I don't know how I feel about this bang look that I'm trying right now, but I'll see. I'll let it dry like this and then get back to you guys tomorrow, or like next day or whatever, in the same video, you know, just, and then yeah. Okay guys, so this is the next day. These are my results. Absolutely loving all my results. I think my wash and go came out perfect. I absolutely recommend the Aunt Jackie's Curl Defining Jelly. It was really easy to use. My hair feels very soft. It's not hard. Like Eco Styler makes my hair, well, my wash and go is very hard. Like my curls very crunchy, and I don't get that with this gel. I'm not experiencing any flaking so far. This is just absolutely perfect. I love it so far. Let me know what you guys think about my wash and go so far. So this is it, guys. I don't know if you can see that, but this is it. Absolutely love it, my results right now. So yeah, Also, I am kind of in dilemma about my hair type. So if you're like a hair type magician, comment down below and tell me what you guys think is my hair type, because I don't know which one to choose. Guys, that's just basically it for this video. If you haven't already subscribed and you've reached this far in the video, please hit the subscribe button down below and join my family. Also, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on all my social media, all of them will be linked down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.